it was harder for the aircraft to start to fly. Assuming that the pilot was attempting to climb, this particular aircraft appears strained at best and unwilling at worst. Whatever the cause, this was the result.
I can do close right stop.
You can clear right.
I can do. Oh, shit.
Okay, we got T6NL.
T6NL. Engine.
Okay.
Okay, around the horn, restart. Prepare to abandon aircraft.
Gear not done.
Yes.
Gear not done.
Just gonna try to get a relay going.
Okay.
Get her from the front.
All right, get in the
I'll
front.
fly the plane.
Okay. Okay, engine stop. Stop.
Okay,
Okay, you cool?
second, see the engine.
T6NL.
Okay, you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Okay. And Viking 2, we're ejecting to the north. We have an engine failure. Okay, prepare to abandon aircraft. Eject, eject, eject.
Viking 2, copy your brake out to the north.
The airplane's taking off and focused in on this single-engine, four-seat beach bonanza. But I realized something was wrong when it used up two-thirds of the runway without leaving the ground. There was a sigh of relief when it finally got airborne, but it became clear this was no routine takeoff. The wings began to wobble. Then it flopped on its belly.
Oh no.
It appears the propeller dug into the ground, flipping the plane on its top.
A little strange.
На якусь мить. Це секунда чи дві заніміння. Тоді, ймовірно, і відбулося значне осідання машини. Звичайно, сприяти відхиленню могла й велика кількість палива, бо літак ще мав повертатися до Житомира. Градусів граничний пілотаж, оскільки машина не встигає вивернути угору. Колишній керівник «Соколів» Віктор Росиш.
那么我们在现场呢，看到这架战机啊，做飞行表演的时候，那么这个飞行员是否安全呢？我们在现场不得而知。那坠机之后呢，整个组委会的应急救援工作就已经开始了。 现在我们也派了一路记者呢，跟着应急救援的车到现场去。
Célebre por la facilidad con la que realiza maniobras acrobáticas. Era la estrella de este festival que se celebra cada año en un aeródromo a las afueras de París. En un momento dado del espectáculo, los pilotos perdieron el control del aparato por razones que aún se desconocen y ocurrió lo que ustedes ven. Imágenes espectaculares pero sin víctimas. Los pilotos saltaron a tiempo y afortunadamente en el lugar donde se produjo la caída no había espectadores en ese momento.
Aircraft manufacturers have tried to fix that problem by designing the pilot out of the cockpit. This is the first fully automated plane, flown by a computer.
This airplane stop, we're going to roll the trucks, and he's going to swing it around. He's got the engine shut down now. Everything's going to be fine here. We've got another runway to get the other aircraft down. But he has had a problem with his wheels. He's got it stopped, and we're safe.
A California wildfire becomes a killer. A passerby shot amateur video showing the wings fall off a C-130 tanker plane just before it plunges to the ground. All 3 people on board were killed.